Discover the best spade shovels for digging, gardening, and landscaping. Durable, ergonomic, and designed for tough soil, these shovels make every task easier and more efficient. Starting at number 1, Fiskars 46 Spade Garden Shovel. The Fiskars 46 Spade Garden Shovel is a durable, all-steel digging and edging tool ideal for lawn and garden work. With its welded steel construction, oversized ergonomic D-handle, and sharp blade, it's built to cut through turf, dig in tough soil, and handle heavy-duty yard tasks with comfort and control. Backed by a lifetime warranty, this shovel offers long-lasting performance and dependable power for everyday outdoor use. Number 2. Root Assassin One-Shot Garden Shovel. The Root Assassin One-Shot Garden Shovel is a rugged, ergonomically designed spade ideal for yard work, gardening, digging trenches, and more. Its patented wing technology helps hold more soil in one scoop and prevents dirt from spilling off the sides, making your work cleaner and more efficient. With a lightweight yet strong fiberglass D-handle and an extra-large footstep for added leverage, this shovel delivers powerful digging performance with reduced effort. Number 3, Bully Tools Planting Spade Shovel. The Bully Tools Planting Spade is a commercial-grade garden and landscaping shovel built for durability and heavy outdoor use. Made from 12-gauge, 100% made in the USA steel, its flat square head cuts clean edges for planting, edging, and soil shaping, while the closed-back design helps prevent soil buildup on the blade. The reinforced fiberglass D-grip handle provides leverage and reduces hand fatigue during extended yard work. Rugged and reliable, this spade is ideal for garden maintenance, landscape edging, and digging through tough turf and soil. Number 4, VNIMTI Spade Shovel. The VNIMTI 45-inch Spade Shovel is a versatile, heavy-duty gardening tool built for digging, edging, and turf cutting in your yard or landscape. It features a high-carbon steel blade with rust-resistant coating for long-lasting sharpness and performance, plus a solid wood D-handle that provides comfortable leverage and reduces back strain during extended tasks. Ergonomic design elements like non-slip foot treads boost efficiency while digging or cutting clean garden edges. Reliable and easy to use, this spade is a solid choice for gardeners and landscapers alike. Number 5, Der Utek Spade Shovel. The Spearhead Spade SHF D3 40-inch Lavender Garden Shovel is a durable and ergonomic digging tool designed to make gardening easier and more efficient. Its steel-reinforced fiberglass handle provides strength and lightweight durability, while the cushioned D-grip ensures comfort and control during extended use. The hardened carbon manganese steel blade with a beveled edge easily cuts through compacted soil, roots, and turf, reducing effort and improving precision. Ideal for planting, digging, and garden edging, this spade combines innovation and reliability to tackle tough yard and garden tasks with ease.